And last but not least, the last four that we're going to touch down and go over is going to be designer fragrances. They're going to be affordable. You're not going to break the bank if that's not your shindig, you know, but you want to smell like that. And these, in terms of quality, especially for the price, really good and really nice. And we'll start off with the cheapest one, I would say, for like 20, no more than 30 bucks. Yeah, Parfum by Mason Alhambra. And this is a nice imitation or wannabe to the now discontinued YSL Y Le Parfum. Get your hands on the OG if you can for 130-40 bucks. You get this fragrance now before it's sold out completely or it gets even higher in price. Nice YSL Y DNA scent profile. That being said, you already know, fruity, aromatic, just lavender going on here. There's some aldehydes that are boosted up in this one, making it a little bit different. The lavender, in my opinion, is a little bit sweeter, okay? It's a little bit sweeter. It's not as dark and dense as the OG. But man, this is a nice fragrance, dude. If you like the YSL Y DNA, you know, for like 20-30 bucks, dude, sleeper. Love this fragrance. Quality of the bottle is crap. But this is just like clean woods, aromatic, fresh, clean. Can't go, easy to wear type of fragrance. Easy. And another one that I do and have gotten some compliments on is going to be this Armaf's Club de Nuit Iconic. Okay. This one is supposed to be imitating the Bleu de Chanel, because you can't even say it online anymore apparently, but the BDC scent profile, the Bleu Channel. And this one, it's been a minute since I wore this scent profile, and I wore it like not too long ago, probably like within a week ago, and I got reminded of how nice and beautiful the whole that BDC DNA really is. If you have 200 bucks to spend on the real thing, go ahead. When you smell this, after a month of having this, because in the beginning it's definitely a little bit piercing, synthetic, the citruses are a little bit heavy. After a little while, it starts balancing it out. But at this point where I have it, man, when you smell it, you're like, whoa, 200 versus like 40-50 bucks. Crazy work. And yes, it is not as smooth, I guess you could say, you know, as the original. It's still really nice for the price, like I said, well-rounded. I think the BDC scent profile itself is a little bit synthetic, even the OG, but I've compared it and it's very similar. Really nice, iconic by Armaf. 40-50 bucks. This one you can wear anytime, anywhere. Summer vacation, at the office, you working at home, anytime, anywhere, business situations, casual. You just gonna smell good, fresh and so clean. It's got this nice, sexy nature to it. Most women would like this scent profile. I don't see really any female being like, you smell like ass, or nah, that shit stink, or it's too oriental, too woody. Nah, this is just fresh, clean, easy to wear. Keeping it pushing, another beautiful designer or clone that this would be imitating would be Prada's Ocean EDT. Man, I don't know if you guys heard about that one. If you guys want the OG, that's cool. Prada does make some of the best men's fragrances out there, and I cannot hate you for that. You know, go ahead and do that. But I will say, as much as I love Prada and I do support and own some Prada fragrances, I'm not doing that with the Ocean when I got this Bad Larry right here. This is supposed to be smelling like the EDT, like I said. And you don't get much oceany vibes, but you do get like a nice blue shower jelly vibe. Similar like you would get here, but you get a little bit of difference with some mangoes and blueberries. Here you get like a little, I don't even know, just like different, just like soapy. I get more of a soapy sort of vibe. It's just different. Yeah, this one's more soapy, fresh, aromatic. Feel like I get a little bit of herbal, but man, this is a compliment getter. You can probably look at other people's reviews and what they say about this fragrance. The scent profile itself is a complimentary banger one. If Ocean doesn't say it better, definitely one perfect for the summer. I have personally rocked this and worn this at the beach for summer times. Look, for all the fragrances that I have and all the colognes that I have too, I have made a pretty decent dent on this bad Larry, and I forever will. This is just a nice fragrance to wear and to rock, and definitely one that you should check out. I think it's like 30 bucks or something like that. Easy money, man. Easy money. And last but not least, we'll talk about a really nice designer fragrance. This cologne is actually just getting some hype, and it seems to be a little popular, and that's going to be Nitro Gold by Dumont. Little leather strap. It's alright, it's cool, nothing crazy here. But this fragrance, I would say in terms of quality for everything, even though right now I think since it just kind of dropped not that long ago, you see that? There's another shooter out there. I believe this is an extrait, but this, you get the nice, beautiful, again, complementing Getter Born in Roma by Valentino scent profile. And Valentino makes some of the sexiest, just really nice, easy to wear fragrances, And this one, I have to give some respect. Pretty much started off everything that has been going on, in the whole Valentino line. We wouldn't have Intense, Coral Fantasy, pretty much your favorite Born in Roma if it wasn't for this one that popped it off. So definitely a really nice fruity, citrusy, beachy. I get like a little aquatic nature almost type of energy here. Just type of fragrance. Because of that, I think there's some pineapple here, right? Different kind of sweetness compared to the pina colada one, but here you just get a nice, easy to wear fragrance. Again, designer fragrance, can't go wrong with any four of those. You're Gucci. You're good to go. You're not breaking the bank, and you're smelling, well, not really boring, but like, nothing crazy like maybe the other niche ones or the fruity ones, right? But you're smelling good. Like nobody's going to say anything bad about you for sure. So this scent profile is supposed to be very similar to the Invictus. This is some people, it might be a little boring, overplayed or whatever. But this one, man, like I said, nice looking bottle to have, right? You just kind of add it there. You see it, it kind of sticks out, it's cool type of fragrance. So yeah, definitely one for 50 bucks or less. Great quality, great scent profile. Just a really nice scent. In the beginning, it smelled a little too loud and really good blend, but it was trying to figure out what it was trying to do. But maybe because it was just too strong, and as it dies down, then it goes through the levels. But yeah, that's pretty much the fragrance. And I'll see you guys next time. Appreciate you guys. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you guys like this type of content. I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Peace.
Like and subscribe.